and have it here. There you go. Now this is a platform where you can put anything on it, right? You know what? And then you can put in for the second floor, you can put in decorations like a garden decorations that is enclosed and has roofing, something like let's see what we have here. I guess it's not here. I guess it's in the in garden, right? Yeah. Okay. So what I want to do here is I want to complement the pool that's already there. So I want to put this. Cool, right? Okay, so to make the movement smoother, don't forget to click this button here. There you go. Now you have a two-story structure. You can move, relocate or move the structure like that. Okay, then because this has no fence, you can put something like this spot here as a fence, right? Yeah, cool, right? You can put it in with some gap, or you can have it placed very close to each other. There you go. So it creates some sort of enclosure to this building, so-called building, and something like this, right? Yeah, nice, right? Okay, so this is just an example. You can always use your imagination and creativity to build something else different, but use this as an inspiration for you. And you can build several structures like this, right? And you can move this first, place it here, and build more structures. Okay, let's say we want to have other pillars like that here, and here, and here, and here, and then put some roofing on top of it. Same roofing. Okay, up to here, and then there, and then somewhere, let's say here, and then I don't know, here. There you go. Right, and then use the same principle. Okay, let's change it a bit. We can put it here, 1, 2, 3, and one more here, and then enlarge it a bit. So it's same as the first structure, and then double click there, and here you go. You have now a simple structure that you can use. And don't forget to remove the stairs first, and then copy this. Oops. And then copy this roof, place it like that. Voila! Now you have a two-story building, right? So in this case, if you, let's say this is a complex, and these buildings are the store, obviously you can add things like, let's say this is a store, so you want to remove this two plant boxes there, right? Put it here. Yeah, something like that. And then you can put things like okay, a storage, right? If you have a bookstore, or you have a clothing store, you need to have books, right? So let's say you have a bookstore. There you can put books here. Yeah, this is a bookstore. So store number 3 is a bookstore, and there you go. Now the bookshelf itself creates some sort of a wall, but of course you should not put it there because it's going to be wet of the rain, right? You can put it here. So this is a store for the books, right? Okay. Now what else? Okay, let's just. This is some sort of a bazaar. Right? So you can put the corridor actually in the middle of it, right? And this one you can put it here. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, give it some space. Yeah, and then this one, the one next to it will be the let's say it's a clothing store. So you have, I think there's here a modern clothing rack. 1, 2, and have some more here. 3, and okay, just 2, 3, and give some space in the middle and put the racks in. So now we have 3 stores, right? And you can add some closure to the bookstore. And for this store, let's say this is a what kind of store you want to have here? What kind of store you want to have here? Let's say you want to have something of a. Hey, I think this is neat. If you want to have a clothing, let's say you want to have a I know you want to have a bakery there, right? If you want to have a bakery, then you can put something of like this. So put the table first. Put the table first. Okay, let's say there's a coffee table here and here, and then you have another coffee table here. Yeah, and then you put the showcase for the cake, right? Oh, where is it? Is it in here? No. Or let's say this is a place to sell pots or plants, right? You can put it here, and then what else? You sell the small pots and sell the bigger pots like this, right? That's nice. And then what else? You sell the you have a bigger pots there, and then put some more display cases here. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Nice. And if you want to sell like flowers, yeah, something like that, right? And what else? You sell tulips as well, like that. And what else? You want to sell this cactus here? That's cool, right? Oh, nice. And probably you want to sell some electronics. I don't know, like some old but don't forget to put in lightings. So if you want to open up your store uh, until late in the evening, you have some lights that goes with it. So put in So put in lightings like where is it? I think a floor lighting would be nice, something like this. So it creates different, and it gives some closure to it. Yeah, that's nice. And if you want to create a some sort of um, carpet, if you want to put in carpet, that's cool as well, right? So that's how you create a two-story structure or building without having to have a multiple floor feature. Isn't that cool? So try it yourself, and obviously with a two-story structure like this, you can add things like if you want to add more pool below the structure, that will be fine too. Something like this, probably, right? There. Woohoo! Oh yeah, that's cool. But I think you don't want to do it like that. Um, you want to build it like it has a like that, and you want to have, yeah, that's cool. And then add some more. So there's like a swimming pool, just below the stores, and then you can add more things after that. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know if you have anything that more tips from me. You have anything that you want me to try or to build. Hey, the stairs is on the water, but that's okay. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the notification button. I'm looking forward for your comments and feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.